Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Sierra and tonight I'm doing a little self-care routine. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so I thought why not post another one. I'm going to start off by using my Baby Dove wash, of course. And then for the rest of my body, I'm using my Dr. Bronner's Baby Unscented soap just to get a nice base clean on my body. I am shaving, so to prep for that, I'm using a little body scrub. This is the Truly Beauty Vegan Collagen Body Polish. This has a really nice, fluffy, whipped texture, and it leaves my skin feeling so soft. And then after I rinse all of that off, I'm using my Skin Tint Shave Cream. I love the texture of this. It's so like pillowy. And I'm pretty sure this one is like a lotionized formula, so it also leaves my skin feeling soft. And then to shave, I just use a Joy razor. These are 5-blade razors. I've been using these since middle school. And these are the only ones I've ever really used other than Shave with V, but I always repurchase these. I get them from Target or Walmart. My body wash, I'm using my OGX Rosewater and Pink Sea Salt body wash. This actually does not smell like rosewater to me. It really just smells like a pink Starburst candy. So sometimes I like to use this with my Hemp's pineapple lotion because I just smell like a walking piece of candy with that combo. But I'm just using this for my rosewater combo tonight. This gives a really nice lather and it's also organic. So now I'm just hopping out and putting on some pajamas, and then I'm going to jump into my skincare routine. Trying out some new skincare tonight, so I'm going to start off by using my cleanser. This is the Glossier Cleanser Concentrate. It's new and it's like an oil cleanser. I really like this one, especially for if I'm wearing makeup that day. It really helps to melt all of that makeup off. But I'm using this on my Foreo Luna 3. I always have to use a Foreo device to wash my face. Now I'm going to do a little bit of face shaving or dermaplaning, I guess, but I'm just going over my lip and then I'm going to shape up my eyebrows a little bit. I have not gotten my eyebrows done in a salon since 2016 because The lady waxed off the entire tail of my eyebrow. So ever since then, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows myself. And I never mess myself up when I do my own eyebrows. So I just use a little razor that I get from the hair store and then shape them up, and they always look great. This is my first time ever trying this out, but I'm gonna be shaving my whole face. And my skin felt super soft after doing this. I heard that this doesn't make the hair on your face grow back more, but it just makes your skin look more glowy. So I just wanted to give that a try for once. Now I'm using some toner. This is from The Ordinary. It's the glycolic acid toner. I only use this maybe twice a week because it is a chemical exfoliant. I'm gonna use my In Beauty Project Green Machine. This is a vitamin C serum. I love the way this stuff makes my skin look. Then I'm using First Aid Beauty's new spot treatment. This has BHA and salicylic acid. It's really been helping with my breakouts, and I'm pretty sure you can get this from Sephora. For my moisturizer, I'm using the Ole Henriksen Cold Plunge Moisturizer. It has salicylic acid as well as BHA, so it helps to fight breakouts and things like that. And it has this really nice cooling effect on my skin. And then I'm using some eye cream as well, just to help with my dark circles. Most of the products that I used were new except for the eye cream and my toner. I do wear perfume when I go to bed, so tonight I'm using the Way Melrose Place perfume. This has such a pretty rose scent. It literally just smells like fresh roses, and it has a little bit of a champagne vibe to it. These last so long, and they're also super affordable. They're $56 for a 1.7 ounce. Then I'm also going to use the matching body cream from Way. This is in Melrose Place as well. Has the same fresh rose and champagne scent. It's really thick and moisturizing. Like when you take your next shower, you're going to feel all of the body cream, but it leaves my skin feeling super hydrated. So I like to use this one at night, and I love to put it on my feet as well. So to wind down for bed, I either watch my favorite show on Netflix, which is Girlfriends, or I grab a book to read, and then I just take off all of my decorative pillows and hop in. And that is all for my self-care routine tonight. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!